Okay, the problem is we are having a code, C programming code having 4 lines. Initialization of the I, that is I equal to 5. Then there is a bitwise operator, I left shift 2. Then it prints the value and then returns the main program. We are having 4 options, I equal to 20, I equal to 10, I equal to 5 and I equal to 0. To answer this question, first we have to convert this number, that is I equal to 5, into the binary form. So once we convert into the binary form, it is coming down 101. So it is the binary form of 5. Now the next line is I equal to left shift 2. Left shift 2 means it is a bitwise operator. That is why the bitwise operator means it moves the bit level operations, the bit level value twice in the left direction. So how it is coming down? See, it is just moved to the left direction and the blank hole, that is the right side blank hole, 2 rooms are filled with 0. So it is coming down 20. Fine. This is the answer, but we want to verify this one through the compiler. Okay, let's come down to verifications. Just we run this and then we find out, fine, the value of I is 20. So whatever we have explained, that is the fine, and the correct answer is 20. That is A.